we actually have a simple decision-making model within the company, which has 4 steps to it. First, you ask yourself the question, does this make sense for the patient? Is this going to bring value to patients? Secondly, does it reinforce trust with society? Thirdly, will it strengthen the reputation of Takeda as an organization? And ultimately, if all those 3 boxes are ticked, it's likely to be good for sustainable business growth. And I've participated in many meetings, many discussions, sometimes difficult decisions where that process, that set of principles has been followed. And I think that's a true reflection of Takeda as a company. Takeda is very much a values-based organization with integrity at the core, patient centricity. We have a commitment to be an innovation-led, R&D-led pharmaceutical company. We strive for best-in-class. We expect a lot from our leadership in terms of the behaviors that they demonstrate. And of course, when we do an acquisition, part of that is often bringing in a certain expertise that complements and is synergistic to our own. We always work very hard to make sure that we try to capitalize on the best of both organizations, and ultimately we'll determine very quickly if there's a good cultural fit, because certainly Takeda doesn't compromise on our values, and we want to remain a patient-centric organization that puts integrity at the core. I think digital is a tremendous enabler of this right information, right person, right time system. And the digital apps that are allowing patients to report outcomes on a reasonably frequent basis, to assess impact of environmental factors such as stress, diet, exercise, sleep on disease states is really powerful, because it gives them more control to understand the different factors impacting the progression of their disease, to have more informed, educated discussions with their healthcare providers. They can be part of a peer-to-peer patient network and share experiences and stories. And of course, from a healthcare practitioner perspective, it allows you to have a more holistic view of your patient population. And if you can integrate that within your hospital registries where you have your HCP reported outcomes, of course the power of the data that you have there to apply predictive algorithms that allow you to take a more prophylactic, preventative approach to healthcare, we've already seen tremendously strong results in terms of improvement of patient outcomes, and also efficiency driven through the system through better management of resources. In everything, it starts with the people that you bring into the organization. So I really work very hard to attract innovative leaders who think at an enterprise level, not only within the company, but an enterprise level in terms of the ecosystem, the market in which we're operating, and try to come forward with innovative solutions that will bring value to patients across the care continuum. Of course, we need to do that in a sustainable way. So as we innovate, we need to think about how that innovation is going to get recognized and valued. But there is this balance between creating a clear vision, a clear ambition that people can aspire to and work towards, and at the same time leaving teams and your leaders with sufficient space to ideate, to innovate, to be entrepreneurial, and to create that culture that is empowering them to do that.